Another year has begun, a blank page in the story of your life. What will you write on it? Will it be a story of growth, perseverance, and achievements? Or just another chapter of excuses and regrets? This is your reminder time doesn't wait. The days will pass whether you act or not. So why not act? Why not turn your dreams into plans and your plans into reality? Think back to the goals you set last year. How many did you achieve? What stopped you? Fear, laziness, doubt. Remember, these are just obstacles, and obstacles are meant to be overcome. You don't need to change the world in one day. Start small, take one step forward, and then another and another. Progress is progress, no matter how small. This year, at least, don't waste your time waiting for the perfect moment. Create the moment, take the risk, make the call, write the page, plant the seed. You will thank yourself later, I guarantee you. Let this year be the one where you surprise yourself, where you grow, where you make mistakes but keep moving forward. Because even if you stumble, you are still moving ahead. At last, I will say, this is your year, own it, at least don't waste it.